Hi, I'm Steve Chelski of Chelski Associates, personal injury law specialists. Today I'd like to discuss what you should do after an accident. Imagine you're driving along, bang, you're in an accident. And one thing you can do to get witnesses, let's say it's a red light, you had the green light, someone ran the red, stay in your car. If witnesses who saw it will come up to you at the window and get their phone number. Sure, they can leave after they give you their phone number. You'll need them later. Otherwise, you'll end up forever arguing over the color of the light. Next, you're in a race. If you're in two races, actually, from the moment of the accident. One is to the doctor, and the other is to a injury lawyer. Now, why? Because the combination of both the injury lawyer and the medical or chiropractic doctor will maximize your health and wealth. Lawyers can help pick out the right kind of specialist doctors and the best particular doctors who are not only good at treatment, but also good at testifying should it come to that. Insurance companies give more money if they know that the plaintiff's doctor can and has had the practice of going in front of a jury and convincing them that the client is seriously injured. Most doctors can't do that. So picking your own doctor is often not a good idea for your personal injury case. Now, most times you want to hurry to a doctor in the emergency room by ambulance. Why? Two people who have the exact same accident, same injury, same everything, but one took an ambulance and the other one took a car ride to the same emergency room. And everything else was the same throughout the case. Who gets more money? The one who took the ambulance gets thousands of dollars more. And got better and faster health care. Because at the emergency room, they see people who arrive by ambulances right away. People who arrive by car get to sit in the waiting room for hours, typically. So, for better care, for better health and wealth, take an ambulance. If you're ever asked by someone in a uniform if you should take an ambulance, of course the answer is yes. They wouldn't ask you if they didn't think you should be getting in. You might be worried that, oh my goodness, an ambulance is expensive. Not really, a few $100. And your health insurance may pick it up. Your auto insurance may pick it up. The other guy's auto insurance may pick it up. And even if none of those picked it up and you're broke, well, they can't get blood out of a turnip. So you can settle it for nothing or pennies on the dollar. So not taking an ambulance is expensive. Taking the ambulance is financially sound advice. Now, with lawyers, there you are at the scene of an accident, and you have to make a lot of decisions what to do with your car, whether or not to take an ambulance, what information you need to gather from other people at the scene, perhaps the skid marks need to be photographed. The faster you get your phone calling a cell phone number for a lawyer, the faster that lawyer, A, can start advising you on the phone, and B, if it's me, I'll rush down to the scene if I can and take pictures of those skid marks myself and the cars before they get taken away. And it's not your car to take pictures of. People make that mistake. It's the other guy's car you want to take pictures of before it's gone forever from the scene of the accident. Of course, if you smell gas, get the heck out of the car. But if you don't, and you need those eyewitnesses, stay in your car. People get real curious if you need help, and they come over to your window that way. You're obligated, and the other guy's obligated, to provide you with name, address, their insurance company and policy number. Please provide that and get that from the other guy. A lot of people don't have insurance, and that's okay. If you have bought underinsured motorist coverage on your automobile policy, you should take a look sometimes at your declaration page from your auto insurance carrier and see if you have uninsured motorist. They call it uninsured motorist, but it's really not that. They're mislabeling it. It's really underinsured motorist, because in the almost everyone on the road is underinsured. They have $15,000 policy limits, which is gone like that. And I think I've used up my 3 minutes of your time. Thank you so much. My name is Steve Chelski, and you need my cell phone number in yours. That number, write it down, 310-422-9074.